today I'm going to be showing you the collection of all of my collectible dirt bikes. So first I'm going to do the Honda. And so this is a Honda CRF 450. And this was probably one of the last bikes that I got for my collection. Really like the bike. Pretty nice. Fits in my collection pretty well. And then, so that's the Honda. We gotta try to put that bag without it falling, because this kickstand that it has doesn't fit in it. Then we have my favorite one that I have, my Kawasaki. This is a KX 450, and this is by far definitely my favorite. This was the first one that started my dirt bike collection, and I got this one first because Kawasaki is my favorite brand. And then that's that bike that started off my entire collection. Then we got, if I can get it back right, and then we got my Rockstar Edition, Husqvarna Rockstar Edition. This was the second bike that I got. Really like this bike. Nice graphics. It looks really realistic. The back tire spins. It has that little mud flap to make it sound like it's actually turned on. And this is also one of my favorites. I really like this bike. The gold chain goes along with it well. Yeah, so that's my Husqvarna Rockstar Edition. That's also a 450. Then this I already have a video on. We got my Gas Gas MC 450. The Red Bull sticker. This bike I really like. And then the two next bikes, which are the two last ones, I ended up getting for Christmas to finish off my collection. Then I have my YZ450F, which I got for Christmas. Just on it. Yeah, my YZ450F, which I got for Christmas. Really sick looking bike. The blue is sick. And then probably one of my other favorite bikes. It's my second favorite brand in real life, and then my first is Kawasaki, is my Suzuki RM, my RM 450Z. And then this bike, oh crap, almost dropped it. But this bike, just love it. It looks sick. And then, yeah, so that is my dirt bike collection here. And yep, so that is my entire dirt bike collection of little collectibles right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.